Ka Sohra Academy Higher Secondary School ya kablaseng da ibabu one step dingdo haus nam araja pra but ibalalong ru ha kejukopor kum principal jong kanika school kila rakhe pendon burom ya kasni burom kikimi kikpa parents day ha ka nyau tarik unai wieng arajar arpulai. Ha kanika Sngi Dr. M. Amperin Lindo Menteri Kesorkar Jela ilalong kumi kongsan harengkat kajian lang iba Kevin MLA ka Sohra constituency ibalong kum sumbut kongsan ha kanika Sngi rengkat kajing esno bandalang isesta Rinat na mau kisiem konben ki kimi kikpa jong ki khana school bat kiwe ki blasha khot subha sha kanika program rengkat ki khana school baro jong kanika school. Abangi pai Kyndit syapang kajing le burom ya ki Kmie kikpa parents day nimla klamda ai kajing ero ya principal jong kanika school hadu kinohi kai rengkat ki khana school kibla treshi tom hadu kata ta ban penulong ya kanika Sngi kasngi ka ba ipu ipieng bat isyongkun lingba kajing ruai kajing shat bat kiwe ba penkeman shisha ya ki Kmie kikpa bat kabla penlengok syu ya ki Kmie kikpa kalong ba ki ui ba ki Khun ki jong ki kidon ya ki sap ba per ki ba ki Khun ki pen I ha kanika Sngi. Layo katukan ni kijing kren na ikong bilin do thaba ibalong iway na ki Kmie jong ki khana school ila ai ke jingero shisha ya kanika school khamtam ban siam ya ki jong ki Khun ban ui ba ki Khun ki yeng harensan ban penya ya ka program kani ke jing ai lat bat penchulur da ki nohi kai ila ong ba ka kentiu shisha ya ki khana school ban long ki ba pro bat ba siam phang bat ban long ru ki ba shilur habaro kilia. Bat abangi pai sya kejingkran usumbut kongsan ba Kevin Emilium na kalian jung I ila penpau ba idap da kejingkemen bandor rengkat bat ban shim menta bat kanika school ha kanika Sngi pendon burom ya ki Kmie kikpa parents day ba ila ong ba na kalian jung I indon senda bat ban ai ka ketika mon ka ketika diang ta ka benta ban kentiu syaplang ya kanika school ba ila ong ru ba ka thain Sohra kalong ka badan bok bandon ya kanika school ha ka ba kaladon ya ka sand stream ka balai rap shisha ya ki khana jong ka thain banwan puli ha kanika school layo ya ki jingkran ai mensim bat kentu kun pham nai Dr. M. Amperin Lindo ibalong ikongsan ha kanika Sngi na kalian jung I ila penpau ba idap da kejingkemen ba kraw bandon rengkat bat ban shim menta bat kanika school ha kijingle burom ya ki Kmie kikpa parents day bat na kalian jong isu ila ai kajingero ya ki khana school bat ila ong ba ki khana school ha kanika school kilong ki bestat hadu kata bat na kalian jong iru ila ong ba inyai don rengkat da ka ba kershan met bat bensim khanang ba kanika school kan kiu syaprang na kalian I principal jong ka school babu one step dingdo ila penpau kajing songu ya I kongsan kong M. Amperin Lindo bat ya iba Kevin Emilium ibalong isumbul kongsan ba kiledon rengkat ha kanika Sngi kalong shisha ka Sngi ka ba penkemen ya kinohi kai kumjuru ya ki khana school bat ya ki Kmie kikpa namarda ke jingdon ke jongki kala penpu penpieng syu ya kanika Sngi.
Blessed day for me and my friends to be here to celebrate this Parents' Day 2023 in our school. I'm a Ramai of Class 5. I stand here on behalf of all the students in our school to welcome the Honorable Dr. M. Amperin Lindo, the Minister to the Government of Meghalaya, to be the chief guest on today's function. Welcome, ma'am, to our school. Your kind presence has made this day a wonderful and meaningful to us and especially to our dear parents. You have spared your valuable time to be with us, knowingly your love and affection towards us due to long years ago. This is your first time to be with us, hoping may not be the last. Thank you, ma'am. Enjoy the day with us and take our school to other higher levels to help us so that Sohra Academy will shine and can serve for better and for need of the community.
I was hospitalized. I got minor surgery and I'm still strong. And with all your supports, with all your help, I can gain more strength so that we can go from one level to another level. Not only myself, especially with the teachers. Ajong ihon ki jong hi ban yang hang ni stage ban pendap yang ini kambang rokan ni kam dei tang ka one man show lade ka jingla ka jong awarwe kade ka ti ka bang ti ka diang ka jong kinoi kai barot ki badan hangni nadu ki noi kai jong ka LP section upper primary secondary bar higher secondary ka jingan benta jong ki nong irap ki badan foreign school bar kum joro jong pi mi pa kulei shiboni pi mi
Honorable Chief Guest Kong Amprin Lindo, Guest of Honor by Kevin M. William, so one step Lindo, Principal of the school, teachers and all the parents who are present here this afternoon. I stand here on behalf of all the parents of the school. As parents, I would use the word blessed rather than lucky to have our child study in the school. Ngam small day ban ong don bok namar ngim tip kum kibril ngim tip bakat no sin ngin don bok henrei na small day ban ong ne penton kam naka kantin kirku kan mau bangi kikimiki kipabaro kibangi doni ki Khun hakan ka school Sohra Academy Higher Secondary School ngilalong lupa kibala kirku namar ka school kalong ka ba shibun ki jing mentoy shibun ki sap ginyo i bat ko mangila yo i shakmat bat chati anu gindang bun ki bangin nang yo i kani ka school kala say ong tang bakin nang kinsta ong tang bakin tip ya kata ka kinyo tang ya kata ka knowledge ka jing nang jing sta ka bangi ong ha henry lapan sanru ya ki ha ka jing syampang wisdom ka akor ka burom ngaslor ban ong kumni na mar bangayo i yala ujong ukun kum bangayo i menta kamsil ka dap ka jing keman habang yo i ki arwat ki host ka ka program in front of you ma'am and sir and in front of us all we feel proud of them as parents. Di narugaslur ban ong yakani ban nganut ban ong hangilang menta namar baki bila penlong sisa yaki Khun ki jongi ban tip ban nangru yaki sap ki baki kidon.
Kadi Sngi ke Kyrpang ke Penbek Nagaliang juga school Panraki kata Parents Day celebration kum kadak bantentau ya ka jingburam ka Kyrpang ya pi imei pa ahoy ngamla banyak syakmat klem da pentau ya ka jingburam ka hakmadu yu blade delimba ka jingai bor ka jomu national debt beralak penpoy yang ayap hi hagan ngapon ka panganda Badagaliang kajongi habang isngap ya kajingkren nagaliang jong isa principal. Ngayon snow ya kajingkren kajongi kajingkren kabanadu mensip. Lajan arpo tali kisnem kajingyan inti kajong pi kum kaskul. Ngemla banyak syakmat klem dapen pau ya kajingso buram kabashikaniye ya isa principal ibawan step dindo ringkat bakayeng kasam hi porokoway bakum jo ebhi kinohikai kibaye kibangilayo snow da shisha hakajingya ninti ka jokhi layman ya gajingye kidengpen kyang kibabot andai wala filamat ya kiding kijingtenjo kibabot andai iso kumanshikan na ye balingba ka jelam ti ka jong blay na silende kani ka school kalong kumni kumakalong menta hoy ngitip baisa one step dindo hagini ki banai ki bladep ikidam shimladot ha hapdeng ka jingko jingkhia hagamet ka phat ka jongi henre bangi pe menta kanu kalong ka baso kumen bangin yo I yang sa sisin banyo apat penya yang ka school kumakalong menta kami ada sisa kapin pau syai kedar bau blay dangdon kapenta ban ai hapi akathong banagaliang kajong pi blay nang yaila ban ai kata kacingkot jingkhia kabapura Papenaela bantrai khamha shushu namanta kanika school kabi ke jongki. Kaya itrai med banmin siem na kawai ke port kawai pat banpin ki shapra beraju upor ublay na idon ringkat berkumju ya kiwe ki dikhot cho school managing committee par kinoi kai ki bai ji jongi hi baro kawai. Papenaela banpin sapria ya kacing nang ji start chakanika thain kabi ke jongi. Mangi so tho kanie kadai kawai na pedeng ki feeder school joga science stream marko mengilayo so henne bangi tip syakada bagadon sakawai hangte po Ramakrishna mission high secondary school kaba syakri barosh kata namenta ki kena ki bakwa puli namenta ka science stream lagi so kumansi kadai bahagi ni ki stem bladep ilayo parplay ya ka science stream sa hang ni po Sohra academy parang syukwa ban pentip syaki baga kubor ka babha kalong baka ni ka day ka way na pedengki feeder schools nagabenta ka Sohra government college haba shen nagalyang ka jongi kum ka sarkar jilla ila dep banyo ya ka no objection certificate nagalyang jo ka sarkar jilla ban play ya ka science but commerce stream Badminta ni ap satang ka affiliation na po ka Northeastern Hill University ani ka nehu kapangin sayo shen hakini kipanay kipanuan ya commence camp ka long shisha ka jingmantoy nagbanta ki kinapuli ki jongi ki badani ka jingang lut banang ya pintabe banang ya ki shapra hamta mahagabay de pat ka science stream kanagalang ka jonga ni por badminta nga son ai buram berpenpau ke jing sok kemen ke masyarakat dia Mapila khot so bhai nga bang yo pan saki ya kani ka jing rakhi ka jongpi na benta kani ka parents day celebration hol ko mga jo na gawin ka porch ko pat ka yeng ka sem ka day ka school ka banding kong barki Kmie ki pa ki day ki noi kai ki banding kong om tang man penhe pensani ki khon ki ti lani berbesar ki Khun ki Henry Ward berpin sarai ka jingnan jista ya ka akor ke buram ban ie ki gibreo berkham tam ban ie ubule
shape us into who we are today. Parents are the pillars that hold up our world. They are primary defenders, carers, our first teacher, our first friend, and our lifelong mentors. They give us direction, inspire us, and teach us the difference between right and wrong, as well as invaluable lessons that we will carry with us for the rest of our life. This panel of
Kubai yang affected Jobin ya donon jong avalik dance me unong kendom shisha kimbangalong ubasidur sisur halai jingyong ngalong kumiling paklemo maji sya eka jingem kan pola dangan duyapi jingye junga hapi kalakon dang sapi ngaherlot ki jingmo jingya jing jenjar ya ki bangan thom nama dei tang hapi ko ienya dem kamon kai maklem hapi ka shong pen rong kama de junga ie tolong jing pen thami jung ka jingem yang akimon bakin wan kreng Hendra kim temba ya kadono Dei ma fi I balong si Ya na fi pechobi Ya dono Jong avale pi pensmi Unong kendo Shisha kimba malo Uba shido Sisura lai jinglong Como creo que assim não quase te por Dinhe que balas que não quaba catlo Namar bangan her biang sashi sim koye Ki tham ngen ki jong a kim la kot bo Dur khmat ba fu sam ki ya don la khang kape Jing ba dum sin ya pi wan ra jing shai ba ye Kula bangi la khle ya ki wa pele no ai Ken ma ko ke jong a ki thi long ka ma hade Kan men to ayu yang a Ladang ayo kas pa perthei Ladang andu jing yen na pi Jing yen jonga kang long ai Yang a pi pen chobi Ya dono Jonga vale pi pen smi Unong kendo Shisha kimba malo Uba shidur Sisur halai jinglong
You get a taste, you'll never be the same. This ain't that ordinary, this that 14 karat cake. Ooh, tell me what you gon' do. Ooh, when I do my walk, I can guarantee you trouble. Just that you don't make a lot of what I got. Ladies, if you feel me, then show up. Oh, I could have my Gucci on.
Sohra is a very special place for my family. My late mother is a resident of Sohra. She was bred here many years of her life. And my grandmother, the mother of my late father, was also in the BDO's office for several years. Our family has a very close attachment to Sohra, though in my generation we rarely come here. But I had aunts who had businesses here in Kyrpang, particularly here in Malkisim, and I spent many vacations around these hills and around these streams, and I have very good memories of Sohra. And I'm very proud to be an MLA of a state like this, which has so many facets to it. I'm happy that your institution is doing well. Sir has said that 2 of your students or 4 of your students are going to be now giving the board examination. In the coming 4 of the students are going to be giving the board examination as regular students. This is the challenge before you, sir. One step, you need to get well. You need to shape up and take life's challenges, and you need to be fine to be able to nurture this institution to higher grades. And on my behalf, on behalf of my Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad Sangkna Puli Bakin Kren Kapareng Kabakum Kisim Namar Ba Nidip Ba Ktin Kasi Nala Bawan Sohra. But they ginong Sohra Kibahikai Yimi Bangin Kren Yaga Kantin Kasi Kabanilla Rehang ni ngayo iru yo kajingla jo kini kikna puli ba kin kren pareng perfectly kamdon ka wairu ka benta banong ba pipinum la ne pitlon ban kren ka kantin pareng gari ka kantin ka ba long international in nature. But she said pila master ya ka English kamyar banginum la ban master ya kibai pat ki kantin barok ki competitive examinations, barok ki linguistic lane ki language lane ki educational forums ki penakam da kantin pareng. But kan ye ki khna pulie ban kren kantin pareng kum kisim lagan kim suthu ya ka ka baki kren ti kanne kati ko wai ka bang ayu I hang ni kini ki khon Kistar ro ka tanri ban shup parrot lane ban imitate lane ban shupen bot reneng ya ka jingkren pareng kam dei ka baso nama pindapet ya ka expression haki kmat ki chungki Kapag isya baki tip na kayo gi om baki supuli by heart ya kanu ka piece ka baki kren ha ka mouthpiece. But ka duty jongi kum kinong yalam jong pi kalong. But I'm insane. But I kti kadiang kti kamon. But ban sya ya pi bapin don mentalang ha kita ki jingyo jing mentoy na kabenta kinong sok snong ki bedon hai ni jaka. But ngakit bok kitwang ya pi one step ding do. God be with you. Ikong ibadon lang hang ni, kimen ki para ki jong pi ibadon lang hang ni. Por bangade ban a few weeks back, pi text nga banong ba pi boy hospital. Alakan mau pi ki jing duai ki jonga, but na comment ban yi ba yo on your feet and continue to pursue in this passion for the good of the people. People like us, we've been through life. I have gotten all the education that I require. There is no end to learning. However, I have received the highest degree, which is the doctorate degree. I have nothing more to seek. A postdoc at my level doing politics doesn't make sense. But I know the value of education.
Finally, we give thanks to the Almighty God who helped us, guided us in all the works in life to carry ahead with the works of the school each day, to the teachers, the principal, to us the student, and also to the parents who support us with the divine grace. Thank you. Thank to each one of you.